7 Stoic mindsets that shield you emotionally. Life will test you through betrayal, failure, rejection, and loss. But what if you could walk through storms without being shaken? The Stoics didn't promise an easy life, but they taught a mindset that made them emotionally untouchable. These 7 Stoic mindsets can help you do the same. Rise above the noise and respond with calm, clarity, and inner strength. 1. Control what you can, release what you can't. Epictetus said, "Some things are up to us and some are not." Freedom begins the moment you stop wasting energy on what's beyond your control. 2. Perception is everything. Marcus Aurelius reminded us that things don't disturb us, our judgments do. Reframe events, choose your interpretation wisely. 3. Expect adversity. Seneca wrote, "A wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be." Don't be surprised by difficulty. Anticipate it. Prepare your mind, and hardship loses its sting. 4. Practice voluntary discomfort. Strength isn't born in luxury. Embrace discomfort to build resilience. Sleep on the floor. Fast. Push your limits before life does it for you. 5. Detach from praise and criticism. Stoics don't tie their self-worth to opinions. Whether applauded or attacked, they remain centered, grounded in values, not validation. 6. Value inner peace over outer success. Seneca said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Let go of the chase. Real power is peace. 7. Remember death daily. Memento Mori, the Stoic reminder that life is short, brings sharp focus. When you live as if time is limited, petty emotions lose their grip. These mindsets aren't just philosophy, they're armor. Emotional freedom doesn't come from controlling life. It comes from controlling how you meet it. When you adopt these Stoic principles, you stop being a victim of circumstance and become the master of your inner world. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, and drop a comment about the mindset you'll start practicing today. Let's build unshakable strength together.